Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have discussed about the what is hormones and from where hormones secreted. We discussed the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are those cells, tissues, and organs which secrete the hormones are known as endocrine glands. I have also told you 8 different type of endocrine glands. Some important endocrine glands we will discuss in today's class. The first gland is pituitary gland. Pituitary glands. This gland is pea-sized. Pea means mutton. It just look like a pea size. Okay. This gland is pea-sized and situated at the base of brain. At the base of brain. It is situated at the base of brain. And this gland, this pituitary gland secrete growth hormone. Growth hormone means this hormone is responsible for our growth. If the secretion of growth hormone is hypo, means if it is secreted in minimum amount, then our growth will be stopped and we will become dwarf. So the hyposecretion causes dwarfism. If greater amount of hormone is secreted by pituitary gland in large quantity, then this condition is known as hypersecretion, and due to hypersecretion, gigantism in child and acromegaly in adults, means the growth is very increases. We become a giant child. Okay, now the second gland is thyroid gland. The second gland is thyroid gland. This thyroid gland is close to the trachea in our neck. In our neck, trachea is present. This is trachea. Trachea is present. So this gland is close to the trachea. This is thyroid gland. This gland produces thyroxine hormone. This is produce thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormones regulate our metabolic activity. Means this hormone control our metabolic activity. Its minimum amount of secretion means if thyroxine hormone is secreted in minimum quantity, then severe conditions are produced. For example, this causes goiter. This causes goiter. Goiter means swelling type structure is produced in our neck. Okay, so goiter is produced. We can say Galgand in common language, Galgand rog, Galgand disease. So the goiter is produced due to the hyposecretion, okay, which is known as hypothyroidism, which is known as hypothyroidism. It is also the secretion of thyroxine hormone decreases due to lack of iodine. If we take minimum amount of iodine, then secretion of thyroxine hormone is decreases, and this causes goiter disease. Okay, so the deficiency of thyroxine hormone causes goiter disease. Now next gland is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland present at the back side of thyroid gland. It is present at the back side of thyroid gland. It produces parathyroid hormone. It produces parathyroid hormones, PTH hormone. It regulates calcium ions in bloodstream. This hormone regulates the calcium ions in our blood stream. If this hormone is excess, if this hormone is present in excess amount, if it is present in large amount, then it causes removal of calcium from our bodies and our bones become soft. If the amount of parathyroid hormone is increases, then it causes the removal of calcium from our bones and our bones become soft. It cannot be strong. Okay, so this is parathyroid gland which secrete the parathyroid hormone. The next one is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, there are two type of adrenal gland. Each adrenal gland present at the upper part of our kidney. It is present upper part of our kidney. It has two parts. It has two parts, cortex and medulla. It has two parts, cortex and medulla. cortex secrete cortisol hormone. Cortex secrete cortisol hormone and it regulate metabolic activity. Means our adrenal gland are of two type. Each gland present upper part of kidney. The two part present in adrenal gland, cortex and medulla. Cortex secrete cortisol hormone which regulate the metabolic activity, and medulla secrete adrenaline hormone which prepare our body to face stressful condition, stressful situation. Means in stressful condition, in any panic condition, how our body face this situation. So this hormone prepare our body to face the stressful panic conditions. So this is adrenaline gland which secrete two type of hormone, cortisol and adrenaline hormone. Now next is gonad. Gonad, it contain testis and ovary. Testis present in male and ovary present in female. There are two type of female hormone, estrogen and progesterone. There are two type of female hormone, estrogen and progesterone. Due to the deficiency of estrogen, infertility is causes. If estrogen hormone is deficient amount में हमारी body में present होगा, if it is present in minimum quantity in our body, then infertility is causes. Means in future we are not able to become a mother. So it decrease our fertility property. Okay, and these hormones, the work of these hormones, the action of these hormones released in our bloodstream. These hormones released in our bloodstream, and by the help of bloodstream, it reaches to the target site. It reaches to the target site, and target site stimulates to produce changes in our body. Target site stimulate, and due to presence of these hormones, due to action of these hormones, different changes occur in our body. So the various changes are responsible due to the presence of hormone. So the hormone is responsible for various type of changes. Okay, so how hormone works? Hormone release in our bloodstream and reaches to the target site, and target site stimulate to produce the changes in our body. Different type of changes occurs in our body. So these different type of glands secrete different type of hormones, and these hormones are responsible for various type of changes. For example, growth. For example, ग्रोथ है, फर्टिलिटी है, maturity of bones, strongness of our bones. So different type of work, different type of changes carried out by these hormones. Okay, so our glands are completed in this lecture. In next class we discuss the another topic.